Okay folks, condenser fan motor bat. So this is how you test this thing, right? Just take something and you try to spin it, right? If it doesn't spin like flexible, it means there's an issue. So let me try to turn on the unit. It is not running at all. See, try to push it, it's kind of like stop. It's the motor. The motor is bad. Okay, if it spins normally, you should be suspecting the capacitor or something, but it doesn't spin. It is kind of stuck. In this case, it is the motor. It feels so hot, so that's where the problem is.